Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make easy sourdough bagels. First, you'll need to activate your sourdough starter. Combine it with equal parts flour and water, then let it sit at room temperature for 4 to 8 hours until it's bubbly and active. This crucial step ensures your bagels will have that perfect rise and the distinct tangy flavor we all love. A strong starter is the foundation for delicious sourdough. Once your starter is ready, it's time to mix the dough. Combine the active starter with flour, water, salt, and a small amount of sweetener. Knead the mixture for about 10 minutes until it becomes smooth and elastic. Then, place the dough in a lightly oiled bowl and let it bulk ferment at room temperature for 3 to 4 hours. This allows the sourdough to develop its complex flavors. After bulk fermentation, gently divide your dough into 8 equal pieces, aiming for about 110 grams each. Now, it's time to shape them into classic bagel rings. Create a hole in the center of each piece and gently stretch it. Once shaped, place your bagels on a parchment-lined tray and proof them in the refrigerator overnight for 12 to 18 hours. This slow proofing enhances flavor and texture. The final steps bring your sourdough bagels to life. Boil each bagel for 30 seconds per side in simmering water with a touch of baking soda. This creates that signature chewy crust. Then, transfer them to a baking sheet and bake at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 18 to 20 minutes until they're beautifully golden brown. Don't forget to check the description for a great book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other fantastic deals. Enjoy your homemade sourdough bagels.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.